Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to connect your Hunter Pro HC controller. This is what it'll look like on the wall, but this is a quick tutorial to connect your Hunter Pro HC to your Wi-Fi. So the first thing you'll do when you open your screen will probably be black. It probably won't even say the touch to activate. But first things first, we're going to go ahead and touch that. We're going to bring up that screen. I've still got the plastic on the screen. You may or may not. But you're going to go to settings here in the top right hand corner. We'll click on settings, and then you'll see over here in the right corner you'll see run wizard. So we'll go ahead and click on that run wizard, which is going to take us through the process. If I can, there we go. And then we're going to click on OK, which will take us to searching for the Wi-Fi. HydroWise will now scan, make sure it's in range. So we push OK, and there we go. It'll pop up, and of course this is the one that I would be connecting to, but you're going to look for the one that yours, sometimes it's the first one, sometimes the second one, but find your Wi-Fi in the list of options and then click confirm. And then now one quick thing is when you're going to plug in your password, this is pretty important. Usually the letters would be on the top left, but actually on this you're going to want to look over here for each one you push. So if I were to push H-E-L-L-O for hello. Let's see if we can zoom in here. There it is. You see in the right corner right there it says hello. So when you're plugging in your password, look over here to the right to see which ones, to make sure that the password you plugged in was accurate. Of course, once you're complete, you'll push OK. This password will not work because it's not the correct one, but when you do, it'll pop to the screen saying it needs to take 30 seconds, and then it'll automatically switch back to the home screen once it connects, and it is connected. And you'll see down here where these bars are, that will be solid with three, just like that, but it will not be blinking. This will go back to the home screen that you originally were at, and you'll have all your bars down here where it stays solid and it's not blinking. So, alrighty, that's it. This is the tutorial. You're always welcome to call the office if you have any questions. 817-946-1805. Thank you very much.